Hello Telegram users, want to send your photos or videos in high quality? It's super easy. Let's jump into it right now. First, open Telegram on your PC and find the chat where you want to send a media file. Next, click the attachment icon. It's on the left side of the chat box. You will see options for photos and videos. Select the one that fits your need. Now, choose the media you want to send, whether it's a photo or video. Before you hit send, take a look at the checkbox that says compress the file. Make sure to uncheck it. This will send you media in its original quality. Once you have done that, tap send and your high quality media is on its way. Do you like sending media in high quality or do you prefer lower file size? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And that's all for today. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.